Hi everyone, it's your girl Nita here, back again with another video. Going to show you guys how I retwist my hair. I just finished washing it and just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how I retwist my hair. So yeah, here goes. Here are 4 locks that's untwisted right now. I don't know if you can see it. I just filled up my little spritz bottle, so I'm gonna spritz them, or the one that I'm about to twist, and then after that I'm gonna use my Loc in twist gel. And I don't really care too much about the parts. It doesn't have to be the most straightest or whatever. I'm just going off of what I feel. This will be the section that I'm using, and then for this one, that's the one I was combing. This will be the section that I'm using. So this is a bottle that I got from the 99-cent store, and just spritz it. Make sure it's wet. Mind you, I hit my 1-year mark, my 1-year Lockiversary on February 1st. I decided to try and do a tutorial for you guys. My handy dandy clips. My handy dandy clips that I get from the beauty supply store. This is the clip. And then I have a few of these mixed in with it. They're longer ones. 9 times out of 10, I do not use this whole thing, but I do use the majority of them. Here we go. I put some of the gel on the comb. Then I'm combing through it with the gel. And then I'm going to twist, and then I take it out. And I just go through the entire lock. I don't know if you can see that. And then I take my clip and I clip it. I'm not really good with these clip thingies, but I clip it at the base, I guess, of the twist. I just do whatever feels right. That's it. But y'all see that? Y'all see that hang time? You see that hang time? Okay, hold on. So yeah, Stinky, how it look? Good. Okay. I'm gonna come back because my battery is dying, and I don't want to be in the middle of doing another one and my battery dies and I'll be upset. Okay, I'm back like I never left. So I'm gonna work with the one right here that I had already wet, but this time I'm gonna do it with my fingers. Okay, that's 2. Honestly, because my locks aren't tiny, it doesn't take me forever. It actually is a good chunk of time if I'm like just going straight through. So that's why I don't really have a problem with retwisting my hair. The only thing is I have to let it air dry, and that could be annoying sometimes. But I dry it with the blow dryer for a little bit, and then I just let the rest of the locks just air dry. So I'm gonna continue to just twist them and show you guys how I do it. that's that for this one. This is what I have left on the top. The part that I need to think about is, do I want my hair to fall forward in my face, or do I want my hair to fall to the side, and then which side? Or do I just want to just twist it, let it fall to the back? This should take me no time. Should take me no time. So I will be back. Okay guys, so I am done twisting my hair, and this is what you see. This is the reason why I don't really like when my hair first gets done, because when I first do it, it looks very blah. But after like a couple of days, it'll like poof up and have like a little bit more volume and stuff to it. So I'll turn around so you can see the side and the back. I'm gonna blow dry it. This is what it is right now. You see. Yeah. So obviously if I had a, see this one right here, it's dry. If I had a head dryer, I would not blow dry my head. I would sit underneath the head dryer. But I honestly like for my hair to air dry. It doesn't bother me. I just don't want the roots where I retwisted to unlock, so, or unravel, rather. So I said I blow dry it on high. This is a blow dryer that I got from the beauty supply store. Yeah, that's basically what I do. And then after, I just take the clips out and it's twisted. And then after a while, of course, my roots start to grow out and process all over again. And then that is it.